I just want to say, like, felt the urge to explain something as well. So on all the psycho tests, like the blood test, I got one. You know, like you get them, like you must leave it like a couple of years, or so I showed like 10% of psychopathy. The like where you look at eye expressions, got 25. I mentioned that, I think. So the story of Adam and Eve, and it's basically like like what's evil, like I don't get it. If you see like a pack of wolves tackle like a deer, is that evil? If you think in nature, like what doing that, like you see animals, like if they hunt, they do. Usually they are off like a lion, like quite quick in the killing in, you know. But I think the notion of evil like started like where humans lost their modesty or self-awareness, like where you started being self-aware and wear clothes, and the concept of evil, you know, started. So the Garden of Eden was like really, really nice. So that's like, I don't think people should walk around naked. That's also like not apparently a thing. Like a lot of people don't wear clothes due to modesty. They wear clothes because of the you had it in winter and ceremonially or fashionly, But a lot of people don't consider it to be modesty, like they're not shy. So